never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Welcome to Uti.
Thank you. So friends, നമ്മുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേ നമ്മളുടെ ട്രിപ്പ് ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാണ്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ പോകാനുള്ള ബസ്. ആളുകൾക്ക് ടിക്കറ്റും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ എടുത്ത് ഫോം ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതാണ് ജങ്ഫ്രോജോഷ്, അങ്ങനെയല്ല എന്താ പ്രൊണൗൺസിയേഷൻ, ജങ്ഫ്രൗജോച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, ടോപ്പ് ഓഫ് യൂറോപ്പിൻ്റെ മുകളിലേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ടീംസ് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ സെറ്റാണ്. മുമ്പിൽ സീറ്റ് കിട്ടുമോ നോക്കുകയാണ്. മുമ്പിൽ കിട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നൈസാണ്.
You are the boss?
No, he is the boss.
Yeah, who's the boss? The boss is
He is the boss. No problem. Fine. Can you enter?
You can enter.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome aboard.
Thank you so much.
So we are now leaving Zurich and we'll be back late in the evening or in the afternoon, what we call the afternoon in Switzerland. And we're gonna have a nice weather today, hopefully. The weather has improved for what it was the forecast yesterday, so we are in good luck. So on your left hand side you can see the river seal that actually it goes under the train station coming from the other side. We're gonna see it again. And it's actually quite an engineering work to construct the main train station on top of this river. On our right hand side you can see the Zurich main station. It's in service since 1847 and it's the final train station of the first railway line in Switzerland. We call it HB because it stands for Hauptbahnhof. It is the biggest train station of Switzerland, and in the main hall you will find the Zurich tourist office where they can inform you of lots of information and lockers, and it has everything, this train station. On your left hand side you can all see what it looks like, a neo-Gothic building. For being a building in Europe, it's only 120 years old, not so much, but it's quite important or interesting for the city of Zurich because it's the National Museum of Switzerland. Also inside the train station you'll find a large underground shopping center called Shop Bill, and it's right below the railway station with over 180 shops and other businesses and more than 30 restaurants, etc. It's open daily from 9 p.m. Until 9 p.m. Saturday to Sunday, and supermarkets until 10 p.m. as well. So remember, the Sil is one of the two rivers, the other one we call it Limmat. Also, now we're going to see some flat buildings. Aquí estos edificios a derecha y izquierda, it's called the Reithalle. It's flat buildings on both sides, used to be the stables for military horses, and now it's a cultural center with restaurants, bars and theater. Estos edificios a ambos lados se llaman Reithalle y eran antes los establos del ejército suizo. Hoy se han convertido en un centro cultural. We are also approaching the casino. Many people ask, what is the casino of Zurich? And I let them know it's here on top of the Decathlon. And you can come and see. But the most important thing for Zurich people is not just the casino, it's the Decathlon shop, which opened around 4 or 5 years ago. And it's quite a thing for us because the clothes are cheaper than average. Swiss people invest in money to invest in buying good jackets for winter. In Zurich we have more and more people using the bike, an alternative means of transportation. And that's something that we all should do given the situation of the world. And it's good. Podemos ver mucha más gente que utiliza la bicicleta y modos de transporte alternativos, tanto en Suiza como en toda Europa, y es algo que deberíamos mirar a hacer todos. Also, on your right hand side again, we can see the Stauffacher Bridge with 4 lions on top of each pillar. The lions are the heraldic animal of Zurich. Aquí pueden ver el puente de Stauffacher. Es uno de los puentes de Zurich y tiene lo particular es que tiene un león en cada columna, que es el animal heráldico de Zurich. Did we used to have lions in Switzerland in the past? No, not really. No, I don't think so. Only in the zoo, if anything. But why the lions? And it's because the Swiss soldiers, they used to be mercenaries, so they will take the lion as an emblem, as a sign of being brave, and to sell their services. And since then, they say that the idea of the symbol is stayed, and now it's a symbol of the city of Zurich.
ain't fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me.
So, in between the clouds, not in between, just below the clouds, you're gonna see in front of you, and a little bit to the left, a mountain that has an antenna. It's the highest one on your left hand side at the moment. That is the Mount Rigi. A su derecha pueden ver el monte Rigi. Es una de las montañas más altas, derecha casi enfrente, y ven una antenita. Hay una antena arriba. Esa es la montaña Rigi. The Rigi is located in the middle of the three lakes, the Lake of Zug, Lake of Luzerne, and the Lake of Lauwers. The highest peak is Rigi Kulm, with approximately 1,800 meters high, or 6,000 feet. The view from the summit over the Lake Luzerne is the Alps, and the midland is breathtaking. Very beautiful landscape in this area to look at. Mount Rigi has two cogwheel railways and a panoramic aerial cable car departing from Regis. The cogwheel railway, from which now is Europe's first mountain railway in operation since 1871, and it was electrified in 1930. The North American author Mark Twain climbed to the top and published in 1879 the amusing story of his 3-day trip to Rigi. Even the Queen Victoria of England climbed up to the Mount Rigi in 1868, but it was shortly before, right before, the first cogwheel train, so she had to do it on top of a horseback. That's one of the reasons why this mountain is called the Queen of the Mountains, Rigi, and has been attracting visitors from all over the world since the 18th century. So now get ready for the stop. It's called Aussichtspunkt, and we're going to stop there, prepare the cameras in and out of the bus, those that they want to get off, and take a nice picture. You can do it now. Aquellos que quieren hacer la foto o observar el paisaje lo pueden hacer ahora. Vamos a parar en lo que se llama Aussichtspunkt.
ഇവിടെ നല്ലൊരു ഫോട്ടോഷൂട്ട് ഏരിയയാണ് ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ ഫുള്ള്.
So we already have some other guests in here, but take the opportunity and enjoy the view. See you in 4 or 5 minutes in the bus.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വണ്ടി സൈഡാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ ആളുകളും എന്താ പുറത്തിറങ്ങിയിട്ട് ഫോട്ടോ ഷൂട്ടിലാണ്. ടീംസ് ഉണ്ട്. ആബിദ് ഭായ്, നൗഷാദിക്ക. നൗഷാദിൻ്റെ കളർ ഡ്രസ്സിന് ഇത് വൻ മാച്ച് കേട്ടോ. അമീർ ഭായ് ആസ് യൂഷ്വൽ വൻ വൈബിൽ. അടിപൊളി. ഈ ഒരു ലേക്കും ഈ ഒരു പിന്നെ ഹൗസും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ എടുക്കാനാണ് ആളുകൾ ഇവിടെ തിങ്ങി കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഇറ്റ്സ് ടൈം ടു ഗെറ്റ് ബാക്ക് ടു ബസ്. അതാ ആളുകളൊക്കെ ബസ്സിലേക്ക് തന്നെ കയറുകയാണ്. This is the bus. Yalla, Sura.
Yalla.
Jaldi. Yeah.
Come on board. Assalamualaikum.
Islam. നമ്മള് തിരിച്ചു കയറുകയാണ്
No, really, I don't have a tissue.
You have to carry.